guys, it's me again. Welcome to my channel. So today we are gonna do another unboxing video. So I've had this for a while now and I haven't used this. I've been waiting for like after I have unboxed this with you guys, and I've had this for months. And maybe around January, February, yeah. So I have this. This is my very first Gucci purchase. There you go. My paper bag. I love collecting paper bags, so I always have this. I always keep them, and yeah, this is the paper bag I have. And guess what this is, guys? It is okay. Ta-da! So this is the box, shoe box, and there you have it. Gucci logo, and this is we are opening it, and we have here the cards, responsibility cards. Gucci, sorry, that one, I don't know why I have two, but yep, there you go. And have the receipt and it's just a card from the boutique. That was okay. So let's open this baby up. And this dust bags, and there are two. So two very beautiful dust bags. And there you have it. This is the Gucci Princetown Mules. So it's white. See that? And
Mommy, is it mommy cute?
yes. And then I bought it in size 36, and yeah, I'm a 36. I'm a true 36, and it fits. It's the right. It's perfect, actually. Yeah. So it's very nice. Look at that detail. There you go. And sides, still very clean. And the sole, oh my god, the sole is just so smooth that I don't want to use it. I don't want to make this dirty, but yeah, I love this. I know I'm already late in the game. I've watched a lot of videos about these shoes, and yeah, and they all say that it's very comfortable, and so yeah, I just wanted to have it. At first I didn't like the the appearance, the design. I was like, what's that? And then after a while, after I've seen it a lot of times, it grew on me. And after I've watched a lot of reviews, a lot of videos, and I said, I love it. So yeah, so this is one pair, and this is the second one. So this is the pair, and what do you guys think? So I'm gonna try this on, and I am gonna show them to you what it looks like on my feet. Okay, thanks. So guys, after trying them on, they're still stiff, especially here. So it's gonna be hard to fold them unless you really want to fold them. And I've just tried these on for like 2-3 times, and I didn't really fold my feet that much, but you can see the creases already. I'm not sure if you can see it, but see the creases already there. See the crease, and there's already some creasing. And the other shoe as well. See the crease there. Already have the crease here on the side. So that is normal for these shoes. You really can't prevent that, and yeah, even though I already know that, and even though I knew that, I still love it. I still chose to buy them, and yeah, I cannot wait to get these outside the house if I can. And yeah, so yeah, so I would say regarding the sizing, for me it fits true to size, so I would say go with your true size. And yeah, so let me know what you guys think of this pair of shoes from Gucci, and yeah, I will see you again next time. Bye bye.